Here's your call playing on the radio. These old words we used to sing. Had your letter on my windshield with all the lips it would bring. Your name is in the stars. Your blood below my scars. Your face is on a canvas. You're anywhere I am. Your name is in the stars, so get it a telescope. I will learn to be a stargazer for you. Your blood below my scars, and I'm trying to analyze if it's just the same. What is me too?
Hello YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that video. The monsoon is like right upon us, and in the monsoon I find it very difficult to choose clothing that is both comfortable and monsoon appropriate and also which is stylish, which is why I curated these 3 outfits for you guys, which incorporate things like culottes, shorts, dresses, trench coat like windcheaters, as well as gumboots. I think all these outfits are super duper stylish for the monsoon, and I think they are extremely comfy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite look. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!